एक तो कमरा रेडी है আমি मेंटेनेंस कॉम्प्लेक्स है
कृष्ण बाबू
मेंटेनेंस হয় নাই যে ये
बहुत सारे जीवन
না কত করে
50 चेंज कर आगे ले लेंगे
रिवाइज करते ना
actually due to some labor problem
what is happening there
this is our boundary work boundary
wall now what are you doing that side
this side we will fill
okay what I want
sir you give some instruction
what I want is a big sign outside indigenous guest house
in place of tribal
TT is there but I want it in a big glow sign it should be big
it should be big
that TTAADC guest house
prominently it should be visible
it should be very prominent it should be more prominent than the DC's thing people should see it
first of all people should see the TDADC guest house
okay
not painting but it should be
glow sign glow sign okay
correct if we place the gate here so it will be difficult so Mina told that from that
yes so you can have a signboard here big one
away from
with a glow sign रात में बत्ती से भी it will shine